Today we're taking it out of the test kitchen and talking tailgating. I'm going to use a really unique cut that's just perfect for the grill. The cut that I love to use is short ribs. They have an amazing flavor, cook really quickly on the grill, and are easy to eat with your hands. Today I'll be using something called Flanken-Style short rib. That means they're cut very thinly, perpendicular to the bone. Now let's get set up to tailgate. For me, tailgating is all about preparation. So we're going to talk about all the tools you need to make it go as smooth as possible so you can just sit back and have fun. So we're going to start with the grill. I want something that's powerful enough to get a good sear, but also easy to transport. And then you want to make sure you have all the tools you need for grilling. I like bringing along a sheet pan. It acts as a portable workstation and it's versatile for my uses. I'll also bring along some hand towels, garbage bag, aluminum foil, some disinfecting wipes, and some disposable paper towels. I bring one cooler for food and a second cooler for drinks, and I always remember to bring a koozie. In order to set myself up for success, I got these marinating back at the kitchen, packed them in the cooler and chilled them on the way here. So first I have the beer and lime marinated short ribs. I took a little bit of olive oil in a skillet, added some yellow onion, garlic, jalapeños, and a little bit of salt, and just sauteed them till they took on a little bit of color. After that I added some ancho powder and ground cumin just to toast, wake up those flavors. Then I took it off the heat, added some lime zest and lime juice, a little bit of a Mexican lager, and some cilantro. I then put the marinade into a plastic bag and added my short ribs. For my second marinade, I did a Korean style short rib. For this one I combined soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, and some vegetable oil. Then I whisked in some honey, garlic, fresh minced ginger, and some scallions. I poured the marinade into a plastic bag and added my short ribs. So the first thing I'll do is get these out of the marinade and onto a sheet pan, and I'll pat them dry with paper towels to remove any excess marinade. So these I've marinated for a minimum of 3 hours, but overnight's even better to really develop the flavor. And for the Korean marinated short ribs, I marinated overnight because it's not quite as acidic and I really want to develop that flavor. It's time to get these on the grill. So as always, I'm starting with a super hot preheated grill because I want to sear these hard on one side and then flip them. And these kind of short ribs cook really fast, so by the time I'm done placing down the last short rib, it'll be just about time to flip the first one I laid down. And these are about ready to flip because I can see some beads of moisture rising to the top and it's developing a good char. I love these for tailgating because they're super flavorful and rich, but they make great finger foods so you can eat them on the go. So my key to tailgating success is really getting as much done ahead of time as possible. That way when it comes time to tailgate, you're just hanging out with your friends and having a good time. And I love using this cut because it packs so much flavor, but it's also really quick to cook. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time in the test kitchen.